Would the children of Israel have known that the Ten Commandments were made out of blue sapphire stone? That's a reasonable question. Would they have known? I would submit that they absolutely 100% knew that they were blue sapphire stone. Take a look at Numbers 15, verse 37. The Lord spoke also to Moses, saying, "Speak to the sons of Israel and tell them that they shall make for themselves tassels on the corner of their garments throughout their generations, and that they shall put on the tassel of each corner a cord of blue." Whoa! A cord of what color? Blue! Not surprising. Verse 39, "It shall be a tassel for you to look at and to remember all the commandments of the Lord." Wow! Look at it. Blue, all the commandments of the Lord, so as to do them and not to follow after your own heart and your own eyes, after which you played the harlot, so that you may remember to do all my commandments and be holy to your God. I am the Lord your God who brought you out of the land of Egypt to be your God. I am the Lord your God. That's the same way he starts out saying the Ten Commandments, right? I am the Lord your God who brought you out of the land of Egypt, out of the house of slavery. You shall have no other gods before me. Remember to do all the commandments of the Lord. Think about this. What he said, he says, put a cord of blue on your garments. And can you imagine that? I wear a cord of blue, you wear a cord of blue, we're walking around doing our daily work, we're farming, we're doing our work, we're carpenters, whatever we're doing, and we look and we see the cords of blue on everybody's clothing. We look on our own clothes, we see a cord of blue. And what are we supposed to do? We're supposed to what? Remember to do all the commandments, all of them, all 10. Be obedient. God brought us out of Egypt. He's called us to be a kingdom of priests, a kingdom holy to himself. And don't play the harlot. Don't follow after your own eyes. Don't do your own thing. Don't worship other idols. Don't bow down to them. Don't do that. Love your neighbor as yourself. That's really the law. I mean, it's love the Lord your God with all your heart, soul, and mind. Love your neighbor as yourself. Those 10 are summarized in those 2 commandments right there. It's a law of love. Remember to do them.